Well, being that this is a forest road, more than likely there'll be another bridge, but it'll be cool. I'm sure there's something to see.
I'm gonna mark this little tiny creek water crossing, and that either can be from the video or from me looking at the map and seeing that was the little piney.
Definitely got some water crossings here, but they go over to like someone's camp.
What's after the zigzag?
I don't know, it looked maybe a riverbed crossing. Yep. Fire lines go right across it.
said hi.
On a clear sky night with the blood moon high, while the wind has gone away, I sat down close with who I love the most. Listen what she's got to say. Be honest, dear, these things I hear, that they leave your heart astray. If all's gone well, we just been through hell, and it's another hard damn day. Yeah. Well, I've seen this face once before, but I know it don't end up swell. The love you had washed from your lips, and your hands have gone cold and pale. A poor boy's heart embrace beneath your own rusty spell. Give me time and I can let you know if I moved on as well. Did I put this fire out for you? Take the water from the river, let it run on through. I've seen this play out any way you want to, but it's still the hottest ember, and it burns when I think of you. walked side by side, hand in hand, with everything I thought was true. I'm pouring out this broken heart for what it might be worth to you. Your memories, oh, they haunt me, and my nightmare lives in you. I found peace when all this world told me you never loved true. So I put this fire out for you. Take the water from the river, let it run on through. See this play out any way you want to, but it's still the hardest ember, and it burns when I think of put this fire out for you. Take the water from the river, let it run on through. See this play out any way you want to, but it's still the hardest ember, and it burns when I think of you.
Hello. Oh, I did not forget about you. You being such a good girl. Yes. Oh, so happy.
It's a pretty awesome little cabin. Bear facts. So they definitely got black bears. Should we go to the farm or to the barn? Let's go to the barn. Check that out.
So life is rocking, baby. Count 4, 3, 2, 1. Take off all these things that you always put on. Stop stumbling through this body.
Looking at the map.
already gone.
And I guess by Bud's cabin, there's a schoolhouse on the map that someone marked. So he wants to see if we can find the old foundation of it or something, which would be right down here. Now I think he's catching a lizard. Well, we didn't find the schoolhouse. Said schoolhouse by Bud's cabin. We would like to know a little bit more history, so email us or reach out to us, DM us if you know more history of this section. We just saw it on other videos, and like I said before, videos don't do this place justice. It is cool.
Why not find it?
Yeah. Come out, find it, explore, hit the same trails that we are. So far, mainly forest roads, but I would recommend at least 33 to snorkel, maybe a locker or two. Even Bud's cabin.